Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, we are gonna see how we can create a custom LLM model using Ollama locally in your system. And also we'll be creating a very interesting anime character. So before I go further, I want to know like how many of them have watched Naruto anime series. So guys, if you have watched it, let me know who is your favorite character in that particular Naruto series. So for me, especially Naruto is a favorite character. His characterization and the way he makes fun, it's very interesting. If you have not watched it, you can definitely watch it. So in this particular video also we will be creating Naruto LLM model. So the model which will be your teaching assistant, but it will be having the characterization of Naruto. Like whatever question you ask, for that the answer will be based out of Naruto character only. Okay. So it will be very interesting. So the code, whatever I'll be writing, you will be getting the code. Don't worry. So now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into my computer screen and discuss more about this particular topic. Before that, all the anime lovers out there and the techies, please do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification and encourage me to create more videos like this. So now let's dive into my computer screen. So guys, we are going to take the code reference from this particular GitHub only. This is Ollama's official GitHub. So from this only we are gonna take the code reference and we are going to create the custom LLM model. So guys, before we move further, if you have not installed the Ollama, make sure you install it. So in my previous video, I have already shown you all how you can install Ollama and how you can install all the LLM models locally. So if you have not watched that video, please make sure you watch that video and continue with this particular video. That video link is in this video description and even in the iCard session out up. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll just first minimize this and we'll create a folder here. Okay. Create a new folder called Ollama. I'll just give Ollama 1. So I'll open this folder and here what we are gonna do, we are going to just open this with our VS Code. I'll tell you all why. So this is the VS Code. I got the VS Code. Yeah, VS Code. And now, so if you just go down, you can see already I have covered all this and even to download the command is here. Okay. So everything is here. So I have already installed Ollama. To verify that the Ollama is running, you can just show up here. So you can see this is the icon. I guess you all can see this icon. Let me just move my self a bit. Wait a second. Yeah. So, okay. So now I guess you all can see the icon here, right? You can see here, this is Ollama icon. So this here down. So that's running right now. Just a second. Let me bring myself back. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now in this you can see here. Okay. So I already have the Ollama model running in my laptop. So verify that also you can just open the command prompt and here you can write Ollama. So I have some models already running. You can see here I have already installed Llama2 model. So it's of 3.8 GB. It's already running in my laptop. Okay. So I just have this. Now what we are gonna do? We are gonna create the custom model, right? So the code to create the custom model. Here you can see here, create a model and you can see here, this is the code. Just copy this code. Okay. And just create a file here called, you can give any name. I'll just give Ollama. Okay. And I'm going to paste the code here. Whatever I have copied, I'll paste it here. And I'm going to write here. So here you can see you are Mario, right? So I'm going to change this. You are Naruto from Naruto anime series. Okay. And answer. Okay. So what your answer? All the questions asked on Python, data science, and what else can we give? Python, data science, and machine learning. Okay. So guys, that's all. Now what you are going to do, if you have not copied it, just make sure you copy this. This is done. System. Okay. Yeah. So this is done. Now what you will be doing? So you will be just opening that folder again. So Ollama one folder, you open this, you can see here the file has already been created. So now what you will be doing, just go back here and type cmd command prompt. So we want command prompt here. Okay. So we got the command prompt here. Again, we'll go back to our this particular code here. So now what we'll be doing? So you can see here. So you have to create the model. So to create the model, just copy this and paste it here, and here I will be changing this file name to Ollama and model name will be Naruto and enter. You can see here, that's all. You can see here it has created a metadata model and it has even cloned and it has done everything. So it is successfully done and it is manufactured already. So to verify that we can run that, before that let me just show you the code once. So this code, you can see this is a text file. This is not any py file. Remember this. This is not a code py file. Okay. So this is just a text file. You can see here from Llama 2, and you can see the parameters and temperature is equals to 1. So this is because higher and it's more creative. So for creativity, you can tweak the temperature also. So it's of your choice. And we are just creating or fine tuning our model with the custom LLM model. So with Llama 2 only, we are using Llama 2 open source model. And system message, we are giving the prompt here to the system. Okay, that's all. The code is pretty simple and it's not that complicated. Okay. So now here what you will be doing, just type the command Ollama run Naruto and enter. So you can see here it is loading right now. So for this, make sure if you don't install Ollama, it will definitely throw you error. Okay, it will not even run these commands. So it will take a bit time, but it will be activated. Yeah, it's activated now. Now you can see here. Let me just ask it, who are you? Okay. So it is creating the answer. Okay. Okay, it has done it. So it should start executing now. It's taking a bit time because there is a high load in my laptop. Let me just check, and yeah, it's high load, but it's okay. It's running, right? You can see here. Oh, nice. I am Naruto Uzumaki, the seventh Hokage of the Hidden Leaf Village, and also a skilled ninja. And so this is not gonna stop. You can see here. Let me just close the Docker for now, so it will run fast. Quit Docker desktop. Okay. Okay. So my Docker desktop is closed. Okay. So you can see here. You can see it is telling, oh, Naruto, I'm Naruto Uzumaki and from the Leaf Village. So Leaf Village, right? Hidden Leaf Village character. Those who are watching anime, they definitely know it, Naruto series. Okay, so now let us ask it a question. Okay, so what this code will do? So let's give him a simple code. Print hello world. Enter. So this is terminal based, right? So let me just execute this. After this, I'll show you all how you can write even a code to run it. Okay, even using Python, how you can call it. Okay. So now this is already running in my laptop locally. The model Naruto is created locally in my laptop. So I'll show you all once it's let this to be done. Oh, easy question. The code right here will simply print the string hello world on the console, and it's like basic ninja training for your coding skill, you know. So okay, this is a kind of you can see here, it is a characterization of okay, you can see here. So it is the characterization of Naruto, right? So whatever Naruto will be speaking, he is a more talkative kind of guy and a naughty guy, right? So the same way, like how he speaks and how he shouts always, the same way he is like this model is trying to make the things very creative. You can see here, just like how I learned how to use my ninja skills from Master Kakashi. Okay, learning my jutsu from okay new programming concepts from source nerve scope. So you can see here, so the how you are gonna write the prompt here based on this system prompt, your model varies. Okay, so you can tweak this system prompt and you can create many different characters. So if you like some other character in anime, like you can create Sasuke's LLM model or Kakashi, or even there are many other characterizations, right, in Naruto. So you can create any ones. So now the Naruto is a talkative guy. So it is like continuously, it is not at all stopping. You can see here. So the token size is very high. It's continuously printing. So he is just talking the stuff it's going on. Okay, so the text message you can see or whatever context here it is, it's going on. So you can even create a Sasuke model or even Kakashi, because if you see in the series they will be like very less talkative. You mean they'll be talking very less. Okay, so compared to Naruto, so you can try with that also. See, that's all. Let's make him a bit irritating also. Last prompt. Okay, I don't think that's correct. Anything. So let us see what will be the reaction. So my laptop, like there are many LLM models running, so it is taking a bit, but in your laptop it should run fast. Okay. Nervously scratches head. Well, I apologize. It seems that I mistake earlier. Okay. Exactly trained in the way of coding or data science. Okay, so he is just like apologizing. So this model, like he's not shouting. That's fine. Let me just stop it here. I'll just stop it here and I'll give by statement. Okay, to close the model. You can see here now the model is very interesting, right? So you can even check like Ollama list. Okay, if you run Ollama list, you can see here now there is a new model called Naruto, and it is the same of 3.8 GB because Llama 2 is just the fine-tuned version here. It's a custom GPT, that's all. Okay. So you all can try it out. Now let me just show you quickly the coding point also. To run the coding point cell, so I have the code in LangChain. So we'll be using LangChain for that. So in LangChain, right? Not in this. Wait a second. Okay. So actually this is the code one. So this is the code of Ollama, which is available in LangChain official documentation. Okay. So in this page, if you scroll down, you can see for API, this is the code. And to run in Python, you can see here. Let me just copy this. This is enough for me. And the code is very pretty simple, right? So let's go back to our VS code. Here, what I'll do, I'll again create a new file. New file, no, new file is not required. I'll just directly open the terminal. New terminal. I'll select my git bash here. Okay, git bash. So I'll just type Jupyter Notebook because we'll be executing this code in Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Let me use command prompt only instead here. Okay, so this is running. Let my Jupyter Notebook to get open. Okay, it's open right now. Just click on new and Python kernel. So I'll open the Python kernel here. Time it opens, let me just adjust me a bit. Okay, yeah. So I'll just simply I'm just naming this. Okay, so I'll just copy the code here, paste the code here directly. So first time if you're running, if you don't have LangChain, then this will definitely throw the error. So just write this command pip install. Okay, here you can run it, or even in terminal you can run this command, it will work. Okay, so if you just write this command, it is enough. The LangChain will be installed. And now from langchain.llms import Ollama. So in Ollama here you can see this code, right? LLM is equals to Ollama model is equals to Llama2. So I'll just change this to Naruto. And there is something else need to be done. I need to update a base URL. Okay, for the base URL, I guess it should be in the official documentation here. Yeah. Hmm. This is Ollama's official documentation. Okay, so just copy this local host. Okay, this local host 11434. This is for Ollama. Okay, so I'll give here base URL is equals to, I'll paste this here and I'll run this. Okay, okay. Now I'll run this. So you can see here llm.invoke. So it is getting run here. You cannot see the output until the cell is completely run. Let's wait for it. It's running, or let it will throw error or it will run. Let us see. Because you can see here already the Ollama model is Naruto model is running. So it should definitely take it from the local host. Okay. And Naruto should run here. It's taking a bit time. I guess the answer is a pretty big, so it's taking a bit time. Let's wait for it to complete. So this video I have not even edited anywhere because I want you to see the content and everything properly. This is a kind of a bit live coding only. Okay, it's taking more time. Why is it pop out the answer? Yeah, okay, the answer is here. See, oh, chill out, dude. I am not just a ninja, I am also a master of the nerdy arts. Okay. So you can see here this joke, you can definitely you can read it. So you can see that Naruto is working and it is printing out the answer. So you can even ask related to Python and data science to it. So guys, I hope you all got this. So that's all for today's video, and in my next video, I'll show you all how you can install Ollama on the Docker container and how you can run it. Okay. So just stay tuned for the next video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and comment below how was this particular video. So that's all for today's video. Meet you all in my next video.